Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add icons onto your homepage in Shopify. So what Shopify have pre-built in terms of icons in the Shopify web page is social media icons, which I'm going to show you right now. So first off, start from the dashboard here, and you want to go to the online store down here, right? On online store, you want to go to themes. Wait for it to load. Now on themes, you want to go to here, customize. Wait for it to load. Now, once you see this interface pop up, you just have to scroll down and you have to go to the footer. Once it's loaded, give it a second. It's taking a little bit here. Now, once it's loaded, you should have to scroll to the footer section here. You can click on this and you have to make sure this option is turned on. The social media icons, you can see it's turned on, but as you can see here too, nothing is showing up, right? So let's click on this theme settings. On theme settings, scroll down and find this social media under on social accounts. You can see there's a couple of links and fields we can fill out here. And each time you fill out this link, an icon will appear. So for example, here, Facebook, I'm going to find the account of its owner, Mark Zuckerberg. Zuckerberg, right? I'm gonna search for it, and then this is his account right here. Gonna copy it. I'm gonna go back, gonna paste, and I'm going to click on save. Once that, just wait for it to refresh, and as you can see, there it is. There is a social media icons right there. Now let's try the Instagram one, for example. Let's find also the Instagram account of the owner, Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg. Right? This is his Instagram account. Let's copy and paste it. Copy. And once you paste it in right here, you see the logo appears here as well. Let's do one last one, which is YouTube. Let's just get this channel of royalty-free music. Copy. Paste. Save. And then just wait for it to refresh, and then the icon should appear. There you go, right there.